Good morning to you all. Hope you guys are doing well. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash Platform. This is a channel which I use to explain to you how you can make some money online. If you are new on this channel, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, grab some few tips there and start making money for yourself today. I've got tons of video clips on my channel. They are all training videos that can get you started immediately. They are all training videos that can get you started immediately. You can watch some of them, practice them well on your demo account before going live with any one of them. It is better you practice well on your demo account. Your demo money is meant for you to practice with. Do not practice with your real money. So practice first, perfect your skill, and you can now go on to your real account to put it into use. Okay, if you love my videos, feel free to share with families and friends, and do not forget to give me thumbs up. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell beside it so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you have any question at all, probably you want to know about my trading strategy, or you want to know more about any of my trading tools or indicators, feel free to contact me. Here is my WhatsApp number on the screen, and I also have my email address on the screen. Feel free to contact me, send message to me directly, and I will reply you as soon as possible. You can also join my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel is below the email here, and I will also have all this in the description box below this video. Okay, today we'll be looking at this topic. We'll be looking at best scalping trading strategy for volatility 75 using the non-repaint, non-lagging signal indicator. So that is what we'll be looking at, how to trade volatility 75 using the signal indicator. But this time around, actually we've started that for about 4 days now. The first video was how to trade volatility 75 using the non-repaint signal indicator. The second one was our best trading strategy for volatility 75. Okay, then the last one, which was the one I posted yesterday, was on best trading strategy for volatility 75 and making the market successfully. Part 2. I think that was the part 2 to this one. So today we'll be looking at something else. We'll be looking at how you can scalp it for those that are having small trading capital, or for those that are yet to develop confidence in trading volatility 75. So you need to scalp it for a while in order to grow your capital, or in order for you to gain more confidence, or to develop more confidence in trading it. Actually, like I always say, volatility 75 is an asset. It is a highly volatile asset, and it goes up and down, and it is a trend trading asset. So if you are not having enough capital, you might find it difficult to trade. Or if you are used to the pattern of movement in boom and crash, you might find it difficult to trade, because it is possible for you to go to place an order in volatility 75 and your order will go negative first before coming positive. Yeah, it is possible because it goes up and down. If the trend of the asset is going down, is to go down, that does not mean immediately you come in it will start going down and you'll be in profit. No, it might reversed a bit, go up a bit before going down, and sometimes even when you are in profit, it takes you back to loss before going back to profit fully. So that is the way it works, and it is highly volatile. That is why I always encourage that you use a reasonable lot size for a good what was it called, for a good trading capital. So that is why I always advise you to do that. Let me close this so that um we won't be disturbed. Okay, let's go to the trading capital now. But before going into today's training, I would like to give us a quick review of the markets. Let's quickly do our own market analysis together so that we get to see what is happening in the market today. Then from there, we can now go into volatility trading. So let's quickly do a quick review of the market. Presently, I think the market is juicy today. For those that are selling, boom, the market is a bit juicy. I think it's even balanced for both sides. You can sell and you can buy, but make sure you buy at the right place. Okay, for some time the market has been going down. You can see it went down and down. It went down to some levels here, and this is giving a whole lot of minutes here. You can see it here. This is 55 minutes before the spike, and it came here again, giving us an entry point here, but there is a support level here, so you exit the market here, which is giving us 7 minutes candle, so which is cool enough. Then this is another opportunity because it went from light red to dark red, so you can easily come in after the support level, then be in the market to this level. This is 15 minutes candle, which is cool. Then this is another opportunity to come in into the market again and be in the market to this level. That is 25 minutes candle, which is another cool opportunity. So as you can see, here is a major support level, so that is why we add spike here somewhere here. So that is why we add spike. That is why it spiked here. You can see, and the spike was a long one, but it came down again. As you can see, it came down again, so you need to, sorry about that, let's say you come in here and you can see the shares trend also supporting it here. Once it signifies the beginning of a downtrend here, then you should know that it will go for long. Okay, it went back to that same support level again, that same support level, and it started spiking up. It went up to these levels, which means if you had placed an order at support level, buy order at support level, you will have earned to this level, and you can always trail it up with your stop loss. You can always, if you don't know how to do that, how to trail up your assets on boom and crash, you can check my video training on that. I posted it on the channel, and it is also in my Telegram channel. You can check it out. So it is possible, but just that you can only do that when you are trading the spikes. So this is another entry opportunity, which is giving us about 10 minutes candle or thereabouts. Let me check. So you exit before the next support level. That is 18 minutes candle, which is amazing. So that is that about that. Presently it is coming down again after this very big spike. You can see the spike came in around the support level. You can see this is where the support level is. The spike also came in around there, so it got to the major resistance level. You can see it here. That is where it started coming down, and because it got there this time around, it was unable to break it beyond that. It started coming down again. It started coming down again. You can see it coming down to this level, so you can always come in. Let's say you decide to come in here, and you are still in the market till now. This is already 12 minutes candle, but you can see the white arrow popping out. The white arrow is telling you that it can spike up anytime from now because it is already around a support level. So what should you do? You exit the markets. So it is not all the time that this this exit arrow comes out, but once the price action gets there before the spike, it will definitely come out. So if it does not get there, you exit before, sorry about that, you exit before it gets to the next support level. So that is the way to use the crusher indicator. So my students already know how to do that. So This is boom 500. Presently it is spiking. Yeah, it is spiking presently, so be careful for those that love selling. It is presently in uptrend than more of uptrend than downtrend. So it is spiking. If you want to trade the spike and you know how to trade it, this is the best opportunity for you to put it into use. But as you can see, it is trying to break this support level. It's got there, here, was unable to break it, spiked up a bit, came down to that level again, spiked up a bit, about getting there again. It might spike up, but if it breaks it, then it will come down for a while. So that is a good one for boom 500, especially for those. You can see it spiked up. That is it. It didn't break it. It spiked up, but we try to retest it again and see if it will break it. So I just made mention of that. You can see that I did that without the analysis, without any indicator. I did that, although I'm having the crusher indicator here, and I already know that I also have the PZ super trend there, but the arrow didn't come out to tell me that it will spike here, but I already know that it might spike it because it is consolidating around this period, trying to decide where the direction of the market. All these are very, very essential. That is why I did the training session on basic knowledge in trading. If you missed that series of videos, you can go back to my channel and watch them, or you go back to my Telegram channel to watch those videos. They are very, very important. It will help you to make massive profit on the trading platform. So this is very, very important. So let's check crash 1000. Let's see what is happening with crash 1000. Crash 1000 is presently going on uptrend, but it is already approaching a major resistance, another resistance level. This is a resistance level. It can spike, it can crash from there, from here. It can crash from here, but if it breaks it, then we should be looking at this resistance level, so which is a major one. We should be looking at this resistance level. So for those that are trading using this crusher indicator, I believe you will have earned a lot. For instance, you coming in here and being in the market till it get to this resistance level. So I believe you should be out of the market right now, keeping your 6-minute candles or thereabouts, and wait for it to break this resistance level before you come in again. If it breaks it, good, you can come in again and pick up like 5 to 6-minute candles again before it gets to a major resistance level. If it does not break it, then you can do what, you can wait for the crash to happen and see if you can still go in. You can always confirm using the indicator window below the main chart. So that is that about that. So let's see crash 500. Crash 500. Wow, you can see crash 500. This is a whole lot of profits. Actually, this long trend going up came up as a result of the crashes that happens here. It came down to this level, to a major resistance level. It got to this level, went back up a bit, came down, went back up, came down, and this time around it broke the consolidating area. It broke it, and that is why it went up to this level, and it's still going up. Let's say you decide to come in where the light green started from. You can you can wait for it to break that resistance level before you go in. Okay, check it out. This is amazing. That is 21 minutes candle. This is amazing. And it is crash 500. That is amazing. That is amazing. Let me quickly do a quick calculation for you, Jack. This is crash 500. Let's say you are using 5.0. That means you earn $5 per minute. That is 21 times 5. 21 times 5. Can you imagine? From a single trade you are earning $105. This is amazing. That is enough to hit the target for the day. So that is that. You don't need to spend the whole time in the market. Just grabbing a few dollars from there, from here and there, and before you know it, you hit your realistic daily target and you exit the market throughout the day, or for the day, and you look out for another day for such an opportunity. So that is how to do your analysis. You can see the exit arrow is already out. You can see the red arrow is already out, which means it can crash anytime from now. So this is amazing. But what I used to let you know is that that does not mean this will be out all the time. No, that is why I always give you two conditions to exit your trade. It is either you see the exit arrow or you exit around the next resistance or support level, depending on the asset you are trading. Okay, for now we'll move on to the next asset. Let's move on to today's training. Best scalping trading strategy for volatility 75 using the non-repent, non-lagging signal indicator. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. Here is my WhatsApp number and my email address. You can also join my Telegram channel too. So let's go to the trading platform now to see what is happening with Volatility 75. Good. This is Volatility 75. So actually, I want to explain two scalping trading strategy, but I will be doing the first one today and try to look at the second one on my next video. So the first one, which is that of today, will be part 1, then the second one will be part 2. Okay, if you want to scalp Volatility 75, why do you want to scalp Volatility 75? The reason you may want to scalp Volatility 75 is probably you are having a very small capital, but you have passion for Volatility 75, so you may decide to scalp Volatility 75 in order to grow your capital gradually before you can trade it. You can do the swing trading. Then another reason is some people are yet to develop confidence in trading Volatility 75, so this will help them to develop confidence in trading it, and so that they will be able to have more trust in it, have more trust in their trading tools, and put it into good use. Okay, let's go into today's training. Actually, you need the basic knowledge to analyze the market. You need to know how to analyze the technical analysis, how to do your technical analysis, but in this might take some time if you don't know how to do this. That is why you have your custom made indicator to put you through, or to guide you and to help you do it more effectively. I will be showing you a few things here. You can see the blue and yellow lines, and you can see the white line. I will be showing you how you can use them to trade this. The white line actually help you to know the trend of the market. If the price action is below the white line, or if the candles are being formed below this white line, then that means the market is on downtrend. But if they have been formed above the white line, that means the market is on uptrend. This is very essential because this asset is a trend trading asset, so it is important you know the trend of the market before you jump into it. The next thing I will be talking about is the blue and yellow line. The blue color signifies an uptrend, while the yellow color also signifies a downtrend. You can see right here where the market is going down. You can see that the color is yellow. The color of the line is yellow, which means the market is on downtrend. And you can see that they are all the candles formed below this white line, so which means this is a double assurance that they are all in downtrend. And also the blue and yellow line can also serve as our support and resistance level. You can see that as the price action is getting to the yellow line, it's going back down. Can you see it? it is going back down. So it can serve as our support and resistance level. So at this level, they are helping us to map out our resistance level. So if the candles are being formed above it, as the candles are coming down towards the line, it will be telling you that it is approaching a support level and within that trend. So you should know that there might be a reverse in price action around here. So that is that about that. Then what we should also look for is these two circles that is showing. We have the golden yellow 5 circles, then we have the clock one which is in red, we have the white color circled 5, and we also have the light blue clock one, the light clock circle which is in light blue. So these circles are very, very important. They are giving us our signals which we need to put into use. For instance, the market is on downtrend now, and we got the most important one we want to focus on is the circled 5, and we got this circled 5 in yellow color, which means a downtrend. But if you are having this circled 5 alone, you are good to go. If you are having the circled 5 and the red clock, that means it is a strong sell. It is a strong sell. So you can come in here and sell for a while. This is 1 minute time frame. So the first scalping trading strategy is on 1 minute time frame, which is very short, which means each of these candles will be created within 1 minute. So all you need to do is to follow. Do not follow the signal anyhow, because this is 1 minute. You always have buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. So what you need to do is to make sure you follow the signal that supports the current trend. You can see that the trend is on downtrend here, and the 1 minute signal gave us a sell signal, which means if it should give us a buy signal, we shouldn't follow. You can see the buy signal here. It does not worth it because this is 1 minute time frame, so it doesn't worth it. So you just allow that to pass, you allow that to go. You only follow the sell signal. Okay, let's see the sell signal we got here. You can see it went down to this level, so you only use the buy signal to exit your sell signal. So that is amazing. And you wait for another sell signal again, which is what we got from here. So you come in here again. The signal will always come at the beginning of the candle creation. You can see we are yet to see the buy signal, although it was going up and down, up and down, up and down, but we got the buy signal here. So we exit the market immediately till we get into the uptrend. You can see this is where we got into the uptrend. So once you get into the uptrend, you switch over from sell signal to buy signal. So you focus more on the buy signal. So it is easy for you to know the uptrend because the color will change to dark blue. The color of the line will change to dark blue. So this is amazing. Then another opportunity, another way you can use in scalping this is once you come in here where we are the sell signal, and we are already in the sell zone, which is the trend of the market, and the price action is going down. Probably the price action has gotten to this level. You can introduce your stop loss and trail it down. Instead of closing it, you can introduce your stop loss. You got to this level, a buy signal came out. You can either close it or you leave it to see if it will get to your stop loss. If it gets there, let's say you put your stop loss here, it got to this level but didn't get to your stop loss and went back down to this level. What do? You adjust your stop loss to this level. It was going up and down, and it got to this level. What do? You adjust your stop loss. So by doing this, you are keeping the profit from here to here, which is amazing. So it got to this level, and since you notice that it brought out a buy signal here, but because your stop loss is there, you don't want to close it, and it went down again, went up, went down, but this time around, once the price action gets to this level and you already know that the lights, the yellow color is turning into blue, what do? You close it. You just close it. And if you didn't close it, you just close it before it gets to your stop loss. But if you didn't close it before, by the time it gets to your stop loss, then it will take you out of the market, which means you will be making profit from year to year, which is amazing. That is another way to go about it, and you can see that you can always have massive opportunity. And after closing your sell signal there, then you can come in for your buy signal. Like I always tell you, it's not all the time you have a very long opportunity like that, because this is scalping strategy. Then you can come in here again and sell and buy till it change the signal to a sell signal here, so you exit the market here, or you use stop loss to trail it. You can use stop loss to trail it, and once you know that it brought out a sell signal, but you don't know because it is under a blue line, it brought out a sell signal, and you can leave it because your stop loss is there. But once the price action gets to your stop loss, you allow it to exit the market for you and keep the rest of the profits. Then you can come in with your sell again here and sell to this place. Then you go for your buy again. You can see that this is another opportunity. Again, you can see here it came up with a sell signal here, and the clock also came out here, which is giving us a strong signal, a strong sell signal. You can see selling up to this level. Isn't that amazing? Then you can buy again. You can buy again here. You can buy again here and buy to this level before the sell signal. So that is amazing. You can see if you are using your stop loss, you can still be in the market to this level. You can still be in the market to this level. It will be coming up and down, and as the gap is being widened, it gives you more assurance that you are in a good business. Let's say you came in here and the price action gets to this level. As the price action is moving up, you adjust the stop loss with it. Which means the stop loss is keeping the profit from year to year for you. So as the price action is moving up, you also adjust the stop loss. Check out the profits you are keeping for yourself. Can you imagine, from year to year? That is amazing. So as the price action is moving also, you adjust the stop loss. To this level. But check it out, the price action came down and hit your stop loss. As the price action is coming down towards your stop loss, do not take your stop loss down. Just allow it to take you out of the market like that. Check out the profits you'll be keeping for yourself. So this is amazing. This is a scalping strategy that you can use to trade volatility 75, most especially if you're having small capital. And check it out, this is another sell opportunity that goes down and went up a bit, goes down again. So this is amazing. You can always have so many opportunities like this throughout the day. Check this out. Can you see this going up and up and up and up? Check this out. It also went down the same way it went up. So this is amazing. This is an amazing opportunity for you to grab, and you can always trade these assets with your stop loss. So watch out for my next video. There I will be showing you the second scalping trading strategy that you can use for volatility 75. So do not forget to subscribe so that you can be notified whenever I upload this strategy. So watch out for the video. If you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are below this video in the description box, and here they are also on the screen. So watch out for the next video. Until then, I remain Samuel Opeola.